In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Mailchimp footer. So in order to do that, you need to first head over to their website, which is mailchimp.com. And then from in there, you just need to head over and then log in if you already have an account, or sign up if you do not have one yet. So in this case, head over and then just do which one is the best thing for you. In my case, I already have an account, so let me head over and log in. Once you have logged in, you should be able to see in here your homepage. Now, in this case, it actually depends on which footer you want to actually edit. For example, you have some campaigns right here. You can create a campaign that has a footer, or you can also create forms that has other footers as well. Or if you have a website, you can head over to this website option, then edit it right here. So do take note that Mailchimp actually or typically have website creation powered by Wix. So in this, in order to edit the footer, you need to click onto this go to Wix option right here in order to open it. So let's head over and click on that, and then you will be redirected to the Wix option right here in order to open that particular site. It will open right here your actual Wix website, so you can just scroll down to the very bottom in order to see the footer. Now in here under footer, in order to edit it, you just need to click on this right here. And then you can just select the actual element that you want to change, select its format, as well as change its color, height, and also its layout, grids, and the likes. So if you want, you can also head over to your actual MailChimp, and you can change the footer on the campaigns that you created by changing the actual content for that. You can just create a new one. Then when you're creating a campaign, you can select regular email and you can design that email based on something that you want to as well. So that's how you edit Mailchimp footer. Hope we helped.